So these are very purposeful this morning. We've got some really beautiful fabrics. I'm going to explain them all. This is the Dior. And so this Christian Dior that we have, it's 100% cotton. It's the sweatshirt or fleece kind of. It comes in different colors. So I've put in some different colors here. There's a beautiful blue. It's kind of an ocean blue, a medium blue. Just so pretty. Again, it's a real fine ribbing on one side, and then of course the fleece on the back side. And then we have this in the blue, and we have this also in the lavender. They're just beautiful. They're beautiful for fall. They're very limited. Obviously all we have is what we have, and they're just very, very pretty. Then we go to a cotton knit, and the reason this is a black 100% cotton, these are both 100% cotton also, is for shawls. Lightweight shawls are very popular, and what they're doing is they're fringing out plaid. They're fringing out all kinds of fabrics, not just plaid, but all kinds of fabric for the trim. And so I'm going to show you that on Tuesday night on 5 things we must have. But this is the base, the 100% cotton knit. And then this also in the black, this is kind of a olive green. It goes beautiful with this plaid. So 100% cotton knit has stretch in one direction. It's got a fine ribbing to, it's got a real fine ribbing to the back side, but just it gives it a really good drape. It's really beautiful. And then this is a plaid. So this particular plaid is Lafayette 148. We're only selling it in 2-yard pieces, so just be aware that the price is for 2 yards. You can get as many yards as you want, but we only have the 2-yard pieces. It all came in 2-yard pieces. And again, this is that plaid fringed out. I just cut it and then fringed it on both sides. Really beautiful. And then a lot of you, this is one of the must-haves for fall, is the cargo pant. And this is a fabric, it's a cotton poly. It's just perfect for a cargo pant. It's light, it will drape well, but it's got great density to it. So this will be really beautiful for your cargo pant. So those are, the cape and the cargo pant are part of the must-haves for fall. So there you have it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.